ओम।
सर्वे अत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम। मेरे स्वजनों, अपने ही स्वजनों के हाथों सम्मानित होने में गौरव का अनुभव होता है, प्रसन्नता भी होती है। एक विष्णुगुप्त गौरव भूषित हो या नहीं परिषद, नहीं शिक्षक के लिए गौरव की बात हो सकती है। शिक्षक व परिषद तो गौरव भूषित तब होगी जब यह राष्ट्र गौरवशाली होगा, और यह राष्ट्र गौरवशाली तब होगा जब यह राष्ट्र अपने जीवन मूल्यों व परंपराओं का निर्वाह करने में सफल व सक्षम होगा। और यह राष्ट्र सफल व सक्षम तब होगा जब शिक्षक अपने उत्तरदायित्व का निर्वाह करने में सफल होगा। और शिक्षक सफल तब कहा जाएगा जब वह प्रत्येक व्यक्ति में राष्ट्रीय चरित्र का निर्माण करने में सफल हो। यदि व्यक्ति राष्ट्र भाव से शून्य है, राष्ट्र भाव से हीन है, अपनी राष्ट्रीयता के प्रति सजग नहीं है, तो यह शिक्षक की असफलता है। और हमारा अनुभव साक्षी है कि राष्ट्रीय चरित्र के अभाव में हमने अपने राष्ट्र को अपमानित होते देखा है। हमारा अनुभव है कि शस्त्र से पहले हम शास्त्र के अभाव से पराजित हुए हैं। हम शस्त्र और शास्त्र धारण करने वालों को राष्ट्रीयता का बोध नहीं करा पाए, और व्यक्ति से पहले खंड खंड हमारी राष्ट्रीयता हुई। शिक्षक इस राष्ट्र की राष्ट्रीयता व सामर्थ्य को जागृत करने में असफल रहा। यदि शिक्षक पराजय स्वीकार कर ले तो पराजय का वह भाव राष्ट्र के लिए घातक होगा। अतः वेद वंदना के साथ साथ राष्ट्र वंदना का स्वर भी दिशाओं में गूंजना आवश्यक है। आवश्यक है व्यक्ति व्यवस्था को यह आभास कराना कि यदि व्यक्ति की राष्ट्र की उपासना में आस्था नहीं रही तो उपासना के अन्य मार्ग भी संघर्ष मुक्त नहीं रह पाएंगे। अतः व्यक्ति से व्यक्ति, व्यक्ति से समाज व समाज से राष्ट्र का एकीकरण आवश्यक है। अतः शीघ्र ही व्यक्ति, समाज व राष्ट्र को एक सूत्र में बांधना होगा, और वह सूत्र राष्ट्रीयता ही हो सकती है। शिक्षक इस चुनौती को स्वीकार करे, वह शीघ्र ही राष्ट्र का नव निर्माण करने के लिए सिद्ध हो। संभव है कि आग के मार्ग में बाधाएं आएंगी, पर शिक्षक को उन पर विजय पानी होगी, और आवश्यकता पड़े तो शिक्षक शस्त्र उठाने में भी पीछे ना हटे। मैं स्वीकार करता हूं कि शिक्षक का सामर्थ्य शास्त्र है, पर यदि मार्ग में शस्त्र बाधक हो और राष्ट्र मार्ग के कंटक सिर्फ शस्त्र की ही भाषा समझते हो, तो शिक्षक उन्हें अपने सामर्थ्य का परिचय अवश्य दे। अन्यथा सामर्थ्यहीन शिक्षक अपने शास्त्रों की भी रक्षा नहीं कर पाएगा। संभव है कि इस राष्ट्र को एक सूत्र में बांधने के लिए शिक्षक को सत्ताओं से भी लड़ना पड़े, पर स्मरण रहे कि सत्ताओं से राष्ट्र महत्वपूर्ण है, राजनैतिक सत्ताओं के हितों से राष्ट्रीय हित महत्वपूर्ण है। अतः राष्ट्र की वेदी पर सत्ताओं की आहुति देनी पड़े तो भी शिक्षक संकोच न करे। इतिहास साक्षी है कि सत्ता व स्वार्थ की राजनीति ने इस राष्ट्र का अहित किया है। हमें अब सिर्फ इस राष्ट्र का विचार करना है। यदि शासन सहयोग दे तो ठीक, अन्यथा शिक्षक अपने पूर्वजों के पुण्य व कीर्ति का स्मरण कर अपने उत्तरदायित्व का निर्वाह करने में सिद्ध हो। विजय निश्चित है। सप्त सिंधु की संस्कृति की विजय निश्चित है। विजय निश्चित है इस राष्ट्र के जीवन मूल्यों की। विजय निश्चित है इस राष्ट्र की। आवश्यकता मात्र आवाहन की है।
मां भारती की जय, मां भारती की जय, मां भारती की जय।
Now last part of today is we will fill up some forms. Yeah, those are there. And this PITI workshop brochure also, not that, this one. Please distribute that to all. Take some more which will be there from, sorry, in this. Maybe there. Two forms will be there. This is one and this is separate one is one. Give two to each one. So form is only one, which is this TITI volunteer form. Please take 5 minutes and fill up the whole form. And then the next one is what the trainer needs to do when they approach the institution and how to conduct the training. form and one document, process document. नीचे उसमें नहीं है. Either it will be there or check behind the door. We especially require people to help us during the weekdays. So if you spare time during the weekdays for whatever hours you can, that would be very good to approach the schools, colleges, corporates, and then even to go and do the training. Because a lot of people are available on weekends, but institutes are not available. Maybe building societies are available, there one can do some talks, but schools and all are not available. So whoever can give maximum time in the weekdays, please do come forward. If you can be a trainer, that is the first and the best option. Because much more contribution can happen as a trainer. Then the next is organizing, and if you can do both, wonderful. No, at the moment you give what time you have. If it changes, you inform us. No. You can always start as a trainer to do a session for your people. So call up your family and friends and others and then do the training, do the presentation for them or for your employees or in a Rotary Club where you are a member. So from there when we start, slowly you will also be familiar with the content and you will also know how to take it with improvements in future. You can address anyone after, let us say, 8th standard till 50, 60. Depends on which institution we are going from. Not these. Go back. Teacher. वहाँ पे नीचे just behind that chair, that cupboard, down here. Yes. What time you can come? So if you say okay, between 2 and 6 I am free, so you are able to come between 2 and 6. Or if you are able to work from home from between 2 and 6. Try coming because we need people on the field more. Sitting work a lot of people will volunteer to do, but actually we need people to come, then go and meet some people or go and deliver some talks. That is what is crucial. But many people opt for sitting at home and doing work, but that is very limited. And if you if you can't come, doesn't matter, you at least give that time, then we will figure out what else can be done. You don't have to come here only. Those things can be worked out. I am staying at Worli, sometimes work can be here, or even in your own place. Suppose some of you are from Thane, then you can start organizing in Thane. So if you have time between 2 and 6 in Thane, then go to the places nearby and speak to them and organize training, and trainers can come from here or you can go and talk. Those possibilities we have to explore.
Initially, I would like to assist somebody who is for that.
That is also fine. Not a problem. You want to accompany them and see how it is happening. There are two sides of the form.
Familiar attached.
You saw the second side? Oh. Huh?
Attached to the bunches.
Yeah, take it out. Take it out and give it here. So other option also is that we are doing this free distribution of books to wherever we are going for the talks, for the schools and colleges especially. So that the education institution doesn't have a problem saying we don't want to charge, and all that doesn't become the barrier. And we have about 40,000 books for which we need 50 rupees per book sponsorship. So if you think you can contribute, or you know some people who are very happy to donate for this educational purpose, like we had one corporate who came forward and they said we will sponsor 5,000 books. At that time we were at 100 rupees per book when we were giving it for the quiz. So they said, okay, we will do it as a part of our CSR, and they gave us about 5 lakh rupees saying, okay, distribute these 5,000 books. So that way, if you know anybody, somebody can sponsor 10 books, 50 books, 100 books, whatever it is. And that would be also helpful, because then we don't have to ask the organization, ki bhai, will your students contribute or will the organization contribute, and all that we don't have to do. The whole TITI movement as far as schools, colleges are concerned is done free. No conveyance, nothing is charged to them. So we need to absorb those costs, so we do it through donations and sponsorships.
Letter accompanied by letter, suppose I give a contact, come across somebody that I can tell. It says letter accompanied. So what letter is it? On this process document.
That I will come to, I will explain.
Oh, sorry.
Process document I will explain. I am just waiting for people to finish the form. If you have finished, yeah, please collect it. On what basis we select the three? Whichever you feel for number one. Number two is which will help you to grow as an individual and when you share it. Last would be what is the requirement. Generally we find the requirement is always more for emotional, intellectual. Majority want that only. Because spiritual they think no spiritual. But corporates and other people they choose spiritual. Ideal is to do all seven actually. So we should have trainers for all seven categories. If everybody chooses one or two only, then again we are in trouble. So when I receive this, then I will go through, so I will know how many are selected which level. And then we may recommend if for this level we don't have, would you like to volunteer? So that we will come back to on that. Then nothing much can be done there. Jimna mission is there, but this movement is not fully there, functional in Bangalore that much. So there is not enough people to coordinate all that. So at the moment I am focusing on Maharashtra here. I am on Mumbai, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa. Bangalore has many other projects, so they are not chosen to focus on TITIs. So you can associate with the general activities of next year June. No? Now. Continues from now till May 2016. In which one? So if you want to be an organizer or you want to be a speaker or both, is okay. For this volunteer organizing work. Yeah, so 3 we have given there. No? Yeah, so you finish one, then come to the second, then come to the third. So you finish reading the, let us say, emotional transformation, do the test, give the viva, then you are thorough with that, then go to the next one. On the same day, we are not going to tell you to write 3 tests and 3 vivas. So that won't happen. You master one, go to the next. That's what your question.
10 children, like supposed to for a group of 10 to 15 people, or
you can start with 10-15 also, there is no problem. See, the important thing for the trainers is to get comfortable, and also, so if the size is small and if they are known people, all that helps. So there is no such restriction. It sometimes depends on the availability of the trainer. So if we have less number of trainers, and then to spare 2 trainers for a small group of 5-10, sometimes becomes difficult. But there is no, that will not prevent us. If we are able to send a trainer, definitely we will send. So even a group of 15 can be good enough to start. Done? Everybody has given the forms? Arvind, 1 or 2 are more remaining. Blank. She has to. Yeah, whichever you want to get back later, you write, we'll get back later. Just write it. So that we will be in touch with you for it. So how many from here have chosen to be trainers? Fine. So now this is a document. We will take 10 more minutes to finish this. This is, we have put down a few points so that our work is systematic. We want to do 1008 workshops, so a process must be laid down so that everybody follows that. Now first aspect of this is make a list of schools in the zone that should be divided into 3 categories. Gita chanting, schools we have contact and where we don't have contact. So there is a girl called Pooja Jain. She has come forward. She was our Yuva Kendra member and she has now come forward to work full time, at least for these 3 months on this project. So We are making this for South Mumbai, at least we have started. So if you are from any other zone, Chembur or from where else anybody has come, let us say Prakash or Andheri or then Gita chanting schools are the schools where we already are doing our work. It is easier to approach them rather than absolutely fresh schools. Or schools where we have contacts, where they may not be doing Gita chanting. Schools will work the best for us. We should start focusing on schools, and above 8th standard we should do the talks for them. Colleges becomes difficult and they themselves are not sure how many will attend those sessions. So schools will work the absolute best for us. With less effort we will be able to reach out more. Second, letters accompanied by brochure should be sent by post or hand delivery to the institution. So the brochure has been given to you. Again, I would suggest please go through the whole brochure so that you know what is being sent to the organization. And there is a form in that brochure which is what they need to fill up to host any workshops. So even if you want to host in an organization or in your society or in your family, just fill up that form. And that form is also available on Google Forms. So that link is given above. So you may even get it typed and data enter there, and then somebody from our organization will follow up. A letter, we have a letter ready, so if you need a formal letter on our letterhead to give it to the principal along with this brochure, then you can ask us, that letter will be emailed to you. Anything you want to communicate with us about TITI, send the email to mumbaichick@gmail.com. That is there on the brochure at the back. Within 3 days, a concerned person should call, visit. So idea is not just to post or just drop off the letter, but to follow up. So if you have given it through a contact to particular college or school, then ask them or call up, how would you like to take forward? Because it takes some time to fix a session. Sometimes they will say, right now exam time is there, call up after 1 week, all that will happen. And sometimes you need 3-4 times to follow up, then it gets fixed. Once they agree to date and time, immediately let us know, then we will fix up who is the trainer who can go, because trainers also need time in advance. Approaching institutions, personal trainers must carry official letterhead, brochure, badge while approaching institution. So there will be a trainer's badge which you will get with your name, and your photograph has to be put on that one. Card we will give you, you have to put that, we laminate it, and then on the neck you wear it, so that they know you are an official certified trainer from Chinmaya Mission. 1. 2. The letterhead, etc. We have our TITI letterhead is separately there. So even some blank letterhead we will give you in case you need to write something and sign and give it to them. Then you can do that. And brochure, of course, we have given that to you. Thoroughly research before approaching any organization. So in your Viva training, you will have to speak about that particular module that you have chosen, and also how to introduce Chinmaya Mission, CHIC and TITI. So we will send you that matter. Actually, I missed out today, it should be a part of public speaking only. A small introduction of CHIC, of Chinmaya Mission and of TITI. So that is what you can present when you go there. Okay, I am so and so from Chinmaya Mission. It's a global spiritual organization doing 1, 2, 3, 4. And Chinmaya Yoga Kendra is the youth wing, and we have taken up this project called TITI. Our vision is my transformation transforms the nation, like small paragraph. And today we are to do this patriotic transformation, and then you start. So that small 1 or 2 paragraphs which are there, that's a standard way we have given. If you think something more creative, you can always present that. Right, that calling up we spoke about. So preparing for your workshop, inform your zone in charge immediately once a workshop is fixed up. So we will have zonal in charges in each zone. So let us say our south zone, we will put 1 person in charge. This is the person in charge for TITI workshops in south zone. This is a person in charge in Chembur, this is a person in charge in, let us say, Powai. So that person is coordinating the workshops in that zone, so that person knows okay, how many workshops have happened, who are the trainers available, all that. So for South Zone I need one person, one is Pooja Jain who is there. I need one person who can do this coordination work. So if anybody has opted for organizing apart from being a trainer or just organizing, then accordingly I will let you know. That person, okay, we'll figure that out. So that person needs to be informed so that we know in this zone this is happening at this time. Ask the host organization of number of expected participants. This books on sale now we will not do. Earlier we were doing, but this will apply for corporates or some other places. TITI books where we don't tell them where they are not contributing. In schools and all now we are giving free. This was made a little 3-4 months before. But in other places like Rotary clubs or etc., where they don't come forward to buy the book, then we tell them, okay, we will display the book, whoever wants to buy it can buy it for 50 rupees. So then ask the number of participants so that the books can be organized. There is a standard amount of books which we keep here, about 200-300 books. And then our whole stock of 40,000 books is there in Navi Mumbai. So if we need more books, we need to, especially in different venues when it has to be taken, we need 2-3 days time to organize that. Hence ask the organization about how many people will attend. Even handouts like we gave the bookmark today. So if we know there are 200 people going to sit there, then that many bookmarks the trainer has to carry. So we definitely need to know the number of participants. And we need at least one volunteer to go with the trainer. Because there is setting up work and then there is collection, distribution, many things, handling queries. Order the number of books and bands from the local center that is here only. So Reshma is in charge of the books here. There is a person who works here, her name is Reshma. So she will tell, you have to tell her, okay, I need 100 books for this place. And I am going to distribute this free. Or I am taking these 50 books and this will be on display, on sale, and I will get back to you with the accounts for it. Prepare thoroughly for the workshops, that all we have covered already. Call the institutions and tell them your requirements. Do not compromise on this, don't expect them to ask you, what do you need? You tell them directly. And if the institution doesn't have, order the same from CST well on time. So we have about 3 projectors here, and the projector wire and 2-3 audio cables, and we also have a small sound system, this much. So in case you are going to a classroom and if you feel there are 2-3 sessions to be done and you need a mic, then it's a very small portable sound system, this much, where you just plug it into the electric point and it has one mic. And it also has that facility where you can put the audio from your cable, from your computer to the system. So you can even carry that with you. So these things you can order well in advance here. If you have any difficulty, you are not able to find something or it's not available in stock here, send us that mail and we will ensure that you will get what you need. On the day of the workshop, we need to carry these things with us. Book and band. Acknowledgement slip books, that if you are going to sell the book, then there is acknowledgement slip where you collect the data of that person who is buying so that we can post the receipt to them. But where you are not selling free distribution, then this slip is not required. Spare a moment slip. That spare a moment slip is a slip which is given to collect the data of the people. Suppose 200 children have come. Some places they will not allow you to distribute. They say, no, our policies, we don't allow our students to give their data. I say, okay, fine. Then you show that website and all that and tell the youth, okay, this is our site, you can visit it and register there if you like us to be in touch with you. Where they allow us, give that spare moment slip, collect the data back, and those spare moment slips need to come back to us. That's where we said we need organizing work, where people need to type it in, so that our database builds. So take that spare moment slip, projector, laptop, audio cable. Yeah, we also have a screen. It's a 6x4 screen. So in case of place does not have screen, see if you can project it on the wall itself. That's the easiest. But in case they don't have such facility, then we may need to take a screen. So that is available here. Take a few pens with you and handouts of your PPT in case of power failure or whatever that is. And if we are distributing anything, all the handouts in that much quantity. Reach the venue at least 20 minutes before time. This is very important to do the setup. One should never ever reach late and never reach on that dot time. My presentation is at 2 o'clock, I will reach at 2 o'clock because it is useless. Then we are going to make everybody wait. That's the worst thing to do because we lose the control there. They start becoming fidgety, restless, all that happens. End the workshop at least 15 minutes before schedule to allow participants time. Suppose you have a 45-minute workshop, you plan, okay, last 5 minutes I will allow them to write all these things and give it back to us. If you have a 1.5 hours, then end it 10 minutes before. Like that, you take a call. Make sure that every person who buys the books with the acknowledgement slip. Yeah, that is if they are buying. Fill the online tracker at the earliest. So we will mail you the link of the online tracker. It is not that which is there on the form. Online tracker is to keep a track how many workshops are over. This is to be filled up only by the trainer. So if you conduct, like today Arvind has conducted here this workshop, so he will go and fill up that online tracker sheet. On this date, I have filled up, I have done this workshop at this place on this level of transformation. That way we are keeping a track of workshops happening all over the country actually. So you have to just go and fill that up. That's one important responsibility. And you cannot fill in the tracker. If you cannot fill in the tracker, inform the zonal in charge. I don't think anybody here is not having a computer or a facility. Then you please inform the zonal in charge that I did this workshop, this level, this date, this time, this is the contact person and this is the organization. That list will be there. Write a small report of 20-30 words. You can write little more also. It should include some of these. Where did you do it? Venue, date, time, how many people participated, what was the response. So that just that, we put it up on the site. You go on to the website of Transforming Indians and check it out. How many of our workshops we have conducted so far in Mumbai. A lot of them, the report is there, the pictures are there. So what happens is, we keep on updating that. It keeps coming in our Sandesh magazine also. So people keep getting informed and they know okay, this is happening. And they also come forward to suggest, okay, here we can do, here we can do. So reporting is important and documentation is important for us. Send this report to titimumbai@gmail.com or to mumbaichick@gmail.com. I would suggest use only mumbaichick@gmail.com. We should change this. Everything let it come on one email ID, easier to check. Inform the concerned center about the book sales and all that, accounts can be settled. And lastly, if you can enter the data of spare moment slip, very good. If you cannot enter, doesn't matter, you give us those slips. We will get the data. But let the slips come to us in 10 days latest. This is a simple process document and everybody can follow this to organize the workshops beginning. Before the workshop, during the workshop, after the workshop, these are the processes to be followed. Any doubts in any of this?
When we go to corporates or educational institutions, do we start with an introduction here?
That depends. You can always start with just Sahana or nothing more than that. But if you think that there are a lot of other community students who are there, then you don't need. You just say Hari Om and good morning or good evening and start. Welcome to this presentation and all that. But some places the children are, like some schools themselves, like that Arya Vidya Mandir or some of them, they are Hindu schools only. So they don't have a problem. And sadhana bhavatu, even if we say nobody will have an issue. Worst come worst, they will ask you what does that mean. And we know it's not a particular deity or anything. But that's not necessary if you think that that's going to create some kind of an issue. We should find out some nice. So ending can always happen with Jana Gana Mana. But beginning we can put some nice patriotic words. Or we can just say, let us sing first para of Vande Mataram. And we have the tune and all is required for it.
The sessions in school, what are the durations? Or is it only
No, that depends on the school. That's why I said in my talk earlier, that depends on the time they give us. Sometimes they give you one period which is 35 minutes. Sometimes they'll combine 2 periods and give you 70 minutes. Arvind, you want to say more because he has been doing extensively a lot of workshops.
The thing is that generally the principal asks beforehand what is the time you need, who is in charge. We tell them that anywhere between 60 to 90 minutes is preferable for us. The reason we say 60 to 90 minutes is even if they say they give us 90 minutes, the workshop duration we will not get 90 minutes.
Correct.
Because we lose some 10 minutes at the start, they like to felicitate, they like to so that thing goes. And in the end they would like someone, a student comes to say vote of thanks. We always lose 15 minutes anyway. So we should, so if you are saying they are giving only half an hour, we should make sure that half an hour is
Full half an hour for that
for the
workshop.
workshop. Because otherwise it will be difficult.
That is the case of this transformation to be.
They will only choose.
Yeah, they choose.
They will only choose straight away.
In
the form, they will only choose. They will only say.
They have to.
And if they say 7, my suggestion would be always start with patriotic transformation. Don't start with physical transformation. If they say all the 7 we want to do, then start off with patriotic transformation and then come to physical, emotional, intellectual like that. That way it is good.
When we coach, say, school, so then we give them a gist, right, on what is the idea. So what do you really talk about that?
So
He said he'll give us an introduction of.
So one is that I will know that you can give to the principal also, you can give to the audience also. There is the TITI video is there, you can show that to them. You can start telling them about what this movement is. And if they want to see a PPT, just because sometimes they may have an apprehension that are we going to talk anything religious because we are from Chinmaya Mission. Then you can just show the whole PPT also. This is what I am going to show. But don't leave the PPT there. So we start by telling them about the movement, saying that this is the movement and we have this vision that if each Indian transforms, India transforms, and our whole focus is on my transformation transforms the nation. Here is our theme video and these are the workshops which we do. And one thing we should know is that yes, there are some like CBSE schools, they need to do compulsorily training for their students for social skills, emotional skills, and there is one more. I forget this. There are 3 things which are mandatory now for them. So they are anyway wanting somebody to talk on that because they don't know what to do. So you can even mention that this can be done under the requirement of the boards. So the PPT, that video of the TITI and all that, once we see through the forms that you have filled, there are certain things which we will send you as a trainer, which will help you to take this forward, which will have the videos, this brochure, the spare the moment slips, all that.
So when do we give the exam? Once we are prepared?
Yes, so now when we see that, now we will send you a mail saying, so you start reading and preparing from now. So maybe that is one thing that you need to write there actually. That when can you, like if you would like to give the exam in the weekday or on a weekend or whatever that is. Yeah, would you want to write now or you will handle it on email?
Email.
Whichever is easier. So when we mail you, then you write down and let us know. So maybe a week's time max, because the faster you finish this process, the easier it is and you start going. Otherwise we lose time. Anybody who wants to give the test in this week itself, you are welcome. For whichever module you have chosen, thoroughly go through it. There is a simple exam that you need to give. That you will need to give in any of the centers. Without the book, no open book test.
Where do we get these presentations?
That once you finish the test, we will send you that link. We will go step by step, one by one, so that Pooja will be coordinating. She will keep a track. Okay, this is your test. Now this is the PPT. Before the test, actually the PPT will come to you. So if you have chosen for the whichever level is first chosen, that level PPT will come to you. Because the test is based on both the PPT and the book. So it will be a written objective test and maybe 2-3 subjective questions or 4-5 subjective questions will be there. That is just to ensure our concept clarity. Don't get scared कि test लिखना पड़ेगा, mug up करना पड़ेगा. Some basic things one has to remember. Otherwise, how can we go and talk? We will have. So after the test is over, then we will have mock session. For that transformation, you will have to come and talk. And you will be evaluated on that. So that you know, okay, in presentation, I need to improve, or in content, I need to improve, or in my public speaking, I need to improve, confidence. Some 4-5 criteria we have put down.
So how long will that be?
You have to do full session. That's once you are ready, no?
So is it like from this group only we can start? I mean, like,
Yes.
we have to have roughly common dates.
If that is possible, that is very good. Otherwise, even like, so you don't need to have a group sitting there all the time. Sometimes if it is that on a weekday you are coming or something, then we make 2-3 people sit and they are the mock audience for you, and then the evaluator is sitting and then you talk. Idea is just for you to get an experience, because otherwise everybody has to come for every mock session, then it too much time. So see, now I won't say latest when, because some of you are students, you will have your exams and all that coming up. My question to you is, when is the earliest you can give? Because the demand is so much that I needed you yesterday. That's the demand now. So the earliest you can give, the better.
After 1 week.
Yeah, so you fix up now. That's why I was telling you, you write down on the sheet, yeah, I can give the test in this week. Better you write it down now, it's easy, you know it. So we also know how to schedule for you. You write 2 things. One is I can give the test after this date, till this date. So the test and the mock, when can you give? You just write that. And schedule up for first 2 PPTs that you have chosen. So that your time period is clear to you. And in this time period, I can finish these 2. Yeah, write it in that back, not any other matter. In that you write it. I will have to figure out somebody to do your evaluation, but you write now, whichever.
Spiritual transformation.
You can come now. This Thursday now. So we are doing this. Tuesday I am doing intellectual. Wednesday I am doing spiritual. Then Thursday we will be doing patriotic. That is 16, 17 and 18. And then 30th October I am doing cultural. Sorry, 30th or 31st of September. 30th September. I am doing cultural, and last day I am doing universal. That is 1st October. So any of these you have missed out and you want to attend, you please come here between 2 and 4. Not between 2 and 4. From 2 to 4 is what I am doing the session. You want to reinforce, you can come. No problem. Yeah, I will send the link. So 3 things have to be sent to you. One is the PPT. One is this link of the recording. That is 2. And one is your test paper. Not your test paper, what is that? Your test time and date. Once you give us the period when you can do, then we will confirm it to you. This date, this time you come. Book already you have. So you need 3 things mainly. One is the book, one is the PPT for doing the training and the test and the mock. And in case you want to listen again to the talk, that link of the talk I will send you. So again, if you need to prepare listening to the talk, and that link we will send you. Okay, so thank you very much. Everyone could come for these training sessions, and we hope we have a good team of trainers and we do our service for our country. We will stand together, take the whole Chinmaya Mission pledge and end with the national anthem. We stand as one family, bound. Okay, repeat. We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values, within and without us. We live honestly, the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume, and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace and blessings to keep us on the path of virtue, courage and wisdom. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is a devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल
Anybody wants to take some more of these pamphlets?
I didn't get any.
Hey, you are, all of you were not sent that mail?
Which way?
This Abhijog, yeah, send it to all the trainers. So if anybody has not attended any of these sessions which we are doing now, you are welcome Okay, Hariom, sorry I forgot to mention that you may need more of these brochures. Then please take some. We have given you only one for you to read, but you may need more to give. Then you can take some, and some more will come in another week's time.